Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Honda CRV handbrake. First, prioritize safety by lifting the rear of your vehicle using a jack and securing it firmly with jack stands. This crucial step ensures stability while you work. Next, remove both rear wheels to gain clear access to the brake assemblies. Always double-check that your vehicle is completely stable before proceeding with any adjustments. Now, let's find the adjustment point. For some Honda CRV models, you'll find the handbrake cable equalizer located under the center console, often beneath a small access panel. Other models feature a star wheel adjuster directly inside the rear brake drum, accessible after removing the wheel and sometimes the drum itself. The exact location varies, so consult your vehicle's manual if unsure. To perform the adjustment, if you're working with the equalizer nut, use a 10mm wrench to carefully tighten it, which will take up slack in the cable. For the star wheel adjuster, rotate it with a screwdriver through an access hole until you feel a slight drag when turning the wheel hub. The goal is to achieve proper tension so the handbrake lever engages firmly between 4 and 7 clicks. After adjustment, thoroughly test the handbrake. Engage the lever and confirm it holds the vehicle firmly. Then, release the handbrake and ensure both rear wheels spin completely freely without any drag. This confirms the brakes are not binding. Finally, reinstall your rear wheels, torque the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specifications, and carefully lower your Honda CRV back to the ground.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.